It's me, Joraby. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a video on my Valentine's Day bag. This is a Michael Kors Mercer satchel. All right, you guys. So here is a quick overview of what the inside of her looks like. All right, ladies, here we go. I'm going to try not to do a lot of talking in this very quick video. You can kind of see what I'm pulling out of the bag. That's my Avon Skin So Soft hand cream, my Coach eyeglass case, and this pouch I purchased over the scoop over the summer. I think it's so cute. And then my Kleenex. And some Juicy Couture perfume. Y'all excuse that chair in the background. This is my pocket knife. Alright, so here's a quick overview of all those things I pulled out of the first section. My little pouch. Look at that little bright pink heart on there. I'm showing you guys here an overview of what I have inside of it. So inside the pouch I have some wet ones, some lip products, some perfume, a compact mirror, hand sanitizer, and a handkerchief. So right here, I'm just putting that pouch back into its rightful spot here in my bag. Here is the center zipper compartment. Here's a quick overview. And I'm going to show you what I'm pulling out of there so far. My wallet, my heart-shaped coin purse, some post-it notes, and my ink pen in case I need to write a note on the post-it notes. And here are my cotton nail flushable wipes. I have to have those. So here's an overview of my wallet, my coin purse, and my post-it note and pen. Alright, so the back section, I have my phone. Y'all, I'm in love with this phone case right here. It doesn't really match, but I just like it. Here's my Victoria's Secret keychain wristlet. And what's next? My AirPod blingy case. You guys have seen that before. Excuse me. This is my Coach round coin purse. I forget the name of this pattern. So in here I have my chocolates. Alright, so here is a Coach cosmetic case. And I forget the name of this print as well, you guys. Forgive me. I don't remember those names. Okay, so also I had some Tic Tacs, the strawberries and cream. They taste good. Then here is my taser. Alright, here is my mask holder. I still carry masks with me. It's just a habit, I guess. All right, you guys, I just wanted to just show you real quick the type of chocolates I had in this Coach coin purse. So the Coach cosmetic case, I'm using it as a cosmetics case for the most part. I have some eyebrow grooming things, some lens wipes, some shout wipes, eye cream, medicine, dental floss, eye drops, Neutrogena face wipes. Y'all see, just that stuff there. Alright, so now I'm just going to zip her back up and put her in her rightful place into the bag. Alright, ladies, here's a quick model shot of what this beauty looks like on me. I'm 5'5.5". So yeah, thanks you guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care of yourself, okay? Bye.